Good day everyone, in today's video, Insta360 8K edition. Wow.
Now that is smooth. Ooh. And you can use the first person. Back in the game. Back in the game, my friend. Back in the game.
Low light conditions in 5.7K. If you go 8K, it will prompt you then there's a low light. So
Ouch. Did I just scratch the lens?
Ouch.
Full frame. Full frame in 4K 30. So you can do it on TikTok. It's okay to be in 8K. High bitrate. High. Okay. Wind cancellation on. But all you've seen in this video is not a 360 video. The real 360 video on YouTube looks way different. This is the real 360 video. You can play around, you can watch whatever you want, 360 view. Look at the quality. It's nowhere near previous videos, you see? Because the compression is different. And look at the amount of artifacts. This is 8K 30 in 360, yes, my friend. But it doesn't matter. Those 360 videos are very unpopular on YouTube. Why is that? Because people don't want to be bothered. They don't want to touch the screen or move a smartphone. They just want to watch and listen.
$212 grams. Dimensions 12, 4.5, 2. Improvement from the previous version, X3 is vast. Fast charging, great battery life, reverse charging, high resolution, great audio. It's fantastic. But the question is, have you seen someone showing the footage from this camera in a different video than the camera review itself? Exactly. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.